Hey guys, what's up? Oh yeah, I got another weather radio. Now, the Midland WR 120B/EZ. Now, if you're wondering why I got another one, is because, for one, my other one has problems, and I'll get to that in a little bit, so I'm going to replace it with this one. So, first off, yeah, I got this one back in 2016, but I want to explain why. CEZ. Hazard weather alerts displayed. Early warning is your best protection. Easy programming. If the batteries there or not. Alright. Let's go ahead and open the box, shall we? Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave the charger in here because I already have the charger, so I'm just going to get the radio out. Alright. There's instructions. Alright. I'm going to do some programming. Alright. The new radio, which batteries are not included, so I'm going to lay this down so you can see it. Take 3 AA batteries, which were not included. Yes, and I'm going to explain why. Here we go in theory. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Weather Radio. Welcome. Set language. English, Spanish. Oh yeah, the buttons are much smoother. We got English. Select any. Set time. Let's see. I'll get back to y'all in just a minute. See what back. So. PM. Set channel 162.400, 162.425, 162.450, 162.475, 162.500, 162.525. We have 162.550. First off, raise the antenna. Alright, set time, black light, off, on, normal. Alert type, like I said, tone sounds the alarm for like 5 minutes until you press any button to stop it. If you hit weather snooze, like if it's a tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warning, whatever the alert is, you'll hit the button, you'll hear the message for that. That's tone. Display just scrolls a message across the screen, but it won't sound an alert. Voice sounds the alert for like 5 to 8 seconds. Then you hear the message of the tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warning for like 1 to 2 minutes. And then it'll automatically shut off, so I'm going to keep mine on voice. Now we're going to test the alert here. See, that's pretty loud. Very strong enough to wake you up. Set locations. Set alarm. You set your alarm, you know how to do that. Set events. All default. Edit. See? See? Button beep. See? Set channel. Set alarm. Multiple. USA. Alabama. Alabama. Alaska. Arizona. Arkansas. California. Colorado. Connecticut. Delaware. District of Columbia. Florida. Georgia. Groom, or whatever that is. Graham. Hawaii. Idaho. Illinois. Indiana. Iowa. Kansas. Kentucky. Louisiana. Maine. Maryland. Massachusetts. Michigan. Minnesota. Mississippi. Missouri. Montana. Nebraska. Nevada. New Hampshire. New Jersey. New Mexico. New York. North Carolina. North Dakota. Marina Island. The Marina Islands. Ohio. Oklahoma. Oregon. Pennsylvania. Puerto Rico. Rhode Island. South Carolina. South Dakota. Tennessee. Texas. Utah. Vermont. U.S. Virginia Island. Virginia. Washington. West Virginia. Wisconsin. Wyoming. Alabama. Kentucky. I gotta find my county. Just ignore the beep sound. Yeah, Ohio County in Kentucky. Just like Ohio State. There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys. There we go. Alright, guys. Get back here. I want to explain. So here's the reason I got there Midland WR 120 easy. Watch this. See, this one takes a few minutes. See how it takes a few minutes when I hit menu? See? See? See, it takes a few minutes for saving, which I really hate that. See? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one. Oh, there's the back of it. I'm going to pop the things up here. Alright.
The temperature was 79 degrees.
Alright. I got a lot of stuff in here. Alright. So I'm going to leave the charger. Gotta take the old radio down. Here. There's instructions for that. Alright, let's put this one up here. like I said, plug this into here, and then that does it. Alright, yeah. Just takes a few minutes. Alright, this one doesn't take as long. Alright. Now,
In southern Ohio, skies range.
alright guys, there you go. Like I said, the reason I got a replacement was because this one takes a few minutes and the other one. So now, this one takes a few minutes to save. So now I got a brand new one. Oh yes, expect another Midland HH for this one someday, except probably tomorrow, but at point it'll be the one that you plug in and charge instead of that has the pocket charge thing. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Until then. Oh, and by the way, I'm not getting rid, don't even ask, I'm not getting rid of this weather radio. I'm going to do something. I may give it to my grandma or something, but I'm not getting rid of this, so please don't ask because I'm not giving it away anyway. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. And until then, that will be it. Until then, if you have any comments, feel free to leave one. Until then, thanks for watching. Guys, there's something else I forgot to show y'all. Like I said, button beeps. Turn them off. Or if you want to hear the beeps, you can turn it off or on. Just forgot to show y'all that.
Through Sunday.
Alright guys, there y'all go. Nice new weather radio. Replacement. Enjoy.